Big up Backyard TV in the place, real away. Big up yourself.
Hello, good night. This is Nickey Badadan. And when I wake up, I watch Backyard TV. Big up Mr. Owe Ali. But right now, you're live at my all-today dinner dance. Big up Backyard TV. Don't forget to look out for the big boat ride coming up soon. Also, I want to big up this guy, the coach, right? People, if you got kids whose age 3 to 12 that play soccer, check him out. You understand me, coach? Let the people know a little bit about your business.
Blessed, Backyard TV, bless up yourself. Yo, after the kids them still, you don't know, age 4 and up, you don't know the things set, girls and boys. Just blessing Nickey, you don't know the things set up.
And coach, you got to give me the contact information because how are people going to contact you, to learn about your little soccer thing you have going?
Yeah man, the contact information 347-367-2509. 367-2509. You don't know the thing set. You see it? Bless.
Look out for this one. Mr. Owner and Mr. Lee present Hugs and Kisses Boat Ride, July 23rd. Okay, also August 7th, Wicked Genius Alright Boat Ride. Okay. It's a July 3rd pool party, Jackie's Paradise. July 30th pool party, Jackie's Paradise.
You waving at me? Hi. She loves the real. She loves the real.
Alright, and like I said, right here I have Mr. Genius. Have you seen us? Mr. Genius, big up yourself. You want to say anything, Mr. Genius?
Boy, Nickey, me not lie. Big up yourself, Nickey, looking so lovely. I love that dress.
It's happening now.
And trust me, right about now, we are here at Nickey's dinner dance, and everybody's enjoying themselves right about now. People are having their food, and inside the building, we have Ron the cameraman, we have Backyard TV, and of course we have Channel 68 and a whole lot of celebrities.
And we're going to have Brother Gary, who will be coming up soon. So Ricky Genius, you want to say anything to anybody, because you know say you're a celebrity just like myself.
Lord God. But anyway, Nickey Badadan, just allow me to go get my meal and just go and fill up my stomach, because later on, you know, I'm madness. Big up yourself, girl.
Alright, big up yourself. And over here, we have Mr. Barry from Barry Shoes. He also got a big boat ride coming up. So Mr. Barry, could you stand up please and let us know a little bit about your boat ride that you got coming up? So like I said, this is Backyard TV, and this is Nickey Badadan, and here is Mr. Barry.
Yes, the boat ride is on August 27, the last Saturday in August. And the boarding time is 6:30 on the paddle wheel.
Any contact information, because we're going to be on the TV, right? And big up the picture man, big up yourself, all right?
Well, you could contact Barry, that's me, at 347-612-2065.
And also he have a clothing store on White Plains where you want to give him the address and phone number?
The address is 4156A White Plains Road. It's between 231 and 232. And this is 347-612-2065.
And like I said, people, don't forget the big boat ride. Come out and support it, because Mr. Barry support me, so I have to support him. And over here we have Mr. Super Sting, a.k.a. don't go away, Twigsy, my friend. All right, yes, sir? I have Bass Tronic, my brother. You understand me? The money support me. So what you say, Bass Tronic?
You know, say later on a crazy thing, you see it. Sort out the people.
You see the youth here? Him support me no matter what I call him any time of day, and him not tell me no. Him come string up, big up the big sound, Bass Tronic sound, all right?
Mad to the thing.
All right, and this year, the Mr. Mix Up don't have no manners, Mr. Twigsy, a.k.a. Super Sting, the girl and bees. Where's this Twigsy?
Well, you can't say me don't have no manners, no, because the ladies them say me have manners, you understand? And do remember, you know, you can log on at www.supersting.com and hear the mix up about Supersting. You understand, Nicky? When I lie, your thing sell off. If you can turn the camera and make the people them see so your thing sell off. You understand? Because some people never want your thing to go on good, but it go on good. You understand? So, your thing, say, who God bless, no man curse. You understand? A prayer day keep the devil away.
I big up yourself. Also, we have Mr. Walter over there from Push It Record. Don't forget it's Walter from Push It Record. You see him? He's my friend. He support me no matter what. So Walter, let them know about your record and what you have coming up.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, you know, I'm from the Pushes and yeah, we have quite a few things going on because right now the manager is down in Jamaica doing a whole lot of work. He's shooting video, doing a whole lot of things. So, right, so as soon as I'm done, we'll hear about Push It some more, okay? All right then, bless Nickey Badadan.
I'm big on my friend Glasses, Full Blast Promotion. Right here, so I'm my friend Glasses, aka Gizzy. You understand me? Gizzy having big thing I come upon the man and support me no matter what. So Gizzy, what you say?
Big things that will go on, yes.
When is the event, Gizzy?
Right.
Watch it. People, him have to go film flyer. Boy, me tell you.
Right now, you know, man. September 17th, Australia Reunion, Part 3, yeah.
All right, I'm right here. I'm a two friend them. Big up Shandy Badadan, aka Shandy Goodas. Only take and big up Charlene coming up with her no panty, no bra. So Charlene, Shandy says something.
Yes, big up Nicky. Everything nice. Did a dance go on wonderful. Everybody look nice. Thanks everybody for coming out tonight. Big up Backyard TV. Big up everybody. Big up King Bach. Big up King Bach and music and Ricky Genius. And then big up everybody who come out like me say. Everybody looking fine, everybody looking lovable. So it goes. So it's set up.
I big up Charlene, who's my bartender. So Charlene, you want to say something?
Listen, I'm busy, Nicky, you draw me out. Big up Nickey Badadan every time. And me say love and she say love. Me love her and she love my back. And me say no panty, no bra, July 5th, Stella.
And big up our friend in my Jamaica and big up all the haters them. You understand me? Mr. Best of Dancer, aka John. Don't forget to check out www.bestofdancer.com. The #1 picture man. And me if you tell you, John, say something, my friend.
Well, Nickey Badadan did a dance, and they did a dance very beautiful. Food is delicious, decoration is off the hook. One of the most decorative, beautiful, colorful, my bad, decorations around town. For all your decorations, party supplies and all that good stuff, give Nickey Badadan a call. Once again, big up Backyard TV. Manners and respect. This is best of John, aka Mr. Best of Dance. So tune in to
And like I said, don't forget July 23rd. Mr. Owell and Mr. Lee present the big boat ride. People come out. Don't miss the one they're gonna be sick solo. I'm gonna be there. Don't forget to check out Backyard TV. And this is Nickey Badadan. We're gonna go over music, alright? Big up. You want to say something?
This is a very beautiful event, and I'm bigging up everybody who's here from corner to corner, ends to ends, town and country. Big up for yourself. Backyard TV, big up yourself also as well. It's my pleasure to be here supporting Nickey Badadan, a year's foundation.
So we're going to take a quick break. We're going to go on the outside and check out the food. Mr. Allen, it's all you can eat and the food seller. So video man, we're going to go outside. Mr. Allen, you're going to take it from here, right? Because I'm going to get some food to eat. So guess what, Mr. Allen, I love you. No matter what, big up yourself. The boat ride July 23rd. Mad, I'll be there. Mwah.
know? Anybody say better music out the door? Come me just ain't ready for more water yet. Me just I didn't think you want here. No yet. No yet. No cartel yet. No dagger yet. No yet. Go spend some money and then we talk about the start out later on. Alright, everything good. So, you know what I said, come out music there, internet there, and my name Black Art. I mean, put me on TV, me tell them that.
All who have 2 left foot and 10 big toe have to dance same way.
Yeah man, you know what I like it? Real killer. Want to check out the video that come up on YouTube and my soul secure, yeah? Everything nice. I would say, man a real killer, the big deal killer. We kill ants and roach and mosquito. Couple fly, couple ticks and grasshopper. All the chicks them want itch up in at the load. Dash it man. Backyard TV. I kiss her.
Happy birthday to Tamika. Celebrating her birthday today. I want to big up everybody that come out to support me. Say something, Tamika, about the dinner dance.
The dance was very fun and food was very good. Thank you.
I only don't want to say anything, but big up to everybody in Jamaica. Bye. And it's my friend Polly. Polly, how was the dinner dance?
I enjoyed it very much. It was lovely. Thanks to Nickey Badadan for inviting me. My good friend. Big up yourself every time.
Want to say something, Patrick? Want to say something about my dinner dance? What do you think about the dinner dance?
The food was good.
My friend Patrick and big up his wife Polly, alright? This is my friend Tamara. Tamara, what did you think about my dinner dance tonight?
It was lovely. The food was good. Everything was so splendid. Nickey, big up yourself. You're a great, great, great woman. Big up, enough love. Straight. Yeah, everything. You're a blessing every single way. Big up.
And that's my friend Tamara.
And big up your husband anniversary. Mwah.
And big up our son's birthday tomorrow. I'm going to shell it down. And that me tell you. And big up my friend Nadia. Me and Nadia come from all them days. You understand me? Nadia, what you think? You kind of late, but big up yourself and your daughter. The daughter, me she look nice, so big up to some Nadia.
Big up all the time, my friend. Big up. Nickey Badadan. Yes, every time, respect.
All right. We have to say, Mama, you know, I'm happy belated birthday to your son. Happy belated birthday to our son. He just celebrated his birthday. He wants to
Yes, big up Nickey Badadan. Yes, your thing sell off.
And this man here, go by the name of Kester Records, right? You see all my tune when me have, all my clash tune when me have, and him me get it from. You see all of the people who call me and ask when me get my music to the man here, him name Kester, aka the best diary rhythm. So Kester, what you have to say?
All I want to say is just big respect to Nickey Badadan. Nickey Badadan is one of the female DJ now who really out there doing her thing independently. You know, she always on the go and the upright. So people in Bronx just support Nickey, and remember, support Kester Record, LIZ, Sunny Day new album in store. So Nickey, respect.
All right, and over here, my friend Navlet. Big up my friend Navlet, you understand me? Big up our daughter, broke out. All right, people, I'm Navlet waiting for my dinner dance.
Your dinner dance, sell off. It's a happen. Rest in peace, broke out. #1 dance fan, Bronx.
Right here is Chrissy, all right? Big her up, you understand me? I'm a husband, friend, one niece, and big her up straight. Chrissy, what do you think about my dinner dance tonight?
It's a going good, not tell no lie. Just one wall of vibes. All right.
And this is Marcio, you understand me? Marcio barbecue nicely. I see Marcio, you ever said anything to Oren and me?
More love, enough love, love, long life and happiness together.
You know, say on the TV, it's live. You want to pick up anybody around the world because this is backyard television.
Big up all my friends in Jamaica, man like Jeremy and Chris, Sanjay, Bo, and people like that, you know.
And big up my friend Erica, the AKA Annie, see her? She helped me out. Anywhere she go, she help out anybody. Erica, what do you think about my dinner dance for the first time?
Nickey, guess what? Anything you're doing, Nickey, you don't know it. Off. Are you name Nickey Badadan? No make nobody call you no Badadan. Badadan is something you dash your name Badadan. Big up Nadine Betters, Delroy Betters, June Betters. Big up my mother. Big up my brother, my sister, my daughter, and everybody in the world. Love is in the house. I mean here, Mama Erica.
I like to say, this is Nickey Badadan, and you're in tune to Backyard TV, the #1 station. No one can be there. Me say that. Nobody else can stop Backyard TV. I'm going to say boom, bam, 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 connect.